Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I would like to explain one of the topic in OB, that is perception. So let's see the meaning of perception. So, what the perception exactly says? Uh, the term perception tells that surrounding us, how we receive the scenario. It's like nothing but which refers to the cognitive process of the selecting, organizing, and interpreting the information to understand the world around us. The simple way we can say that when one person says something and the way we receive the term, that's nothing but a perception. The term can also be described as a preliminary idea or opinion formed before having a sufficient information to be acquire. So, it is the way that the mind understands or interprets the things and shaped by an individual, that is experience or belief and attitude. So, the process involves the taking a scenario, the data from the environment and making the sense of it. So, this term explains the importance in the organization and factors that influencing the perception. So the perception plays a very important role. If, for example, if a hierarchy says some word, says some work, or if we allocate some work, so we might be taken in a different manner. So it is the way we receives the order from our superior. So he might be saying in a different manner and we would take in some other manner. So this is the perception difference. So another thing is the stages of the perceptions. So we have a different three stages of the perception. So first is selection, organization, and interpretation. So when we select the term whatever we receives, then we will coordinate, we'll organize the term, and we try to understand, then we'll give a result, that is nothing but will give an answer to the person who has raised the question. So this is the process or stages which involves in the perception. So here we have some perpetual errors. So like when we have some kind of misunderstanding, so this might leads to the some errors. Like that opposite person tried to say something and we are unable to catch the exact meaning. So this may be called as a perpetual errors. So this may happens frequently when we not concentrating, when we are not showing the much concentration on the opposite person. So the impact of the organization behavior, so it will have an impact on communication, decision making, and performance. So when we are not able to receive the exact word, exact meaning what the opposite person is saying, so that leads to a miscommunications. So yeah, the perception is very important when we communicate one person with the another person, so that leads to a decision making. When we misunderstand the term, so obviously the ultimately the decision will be went wrong. So then that will be affects their performance. So manager perceptions can be effective, then why the subordinates may not be taking in a proper manner, so that leads to a performance effectiveness. So these are all the stages which covers one by one, and this affects one to another. So how to improving the perception in the organization? There are different ways, like we can get the feedbacks, we can give the training and awareness and delivering, and the how we are delivering the messages to the concerned person. And we must know, if we deliver in such a manner where the person will receives the meaning in the same sense. So that is all needed. So getting the feedbacks, like feedback mechanism is one of the greatest tool that we can apply in the organization for getting a improving our perceptions. So whatever I told is understood, or what is your opinion? So if we ask such kind of questions, so it will be get clear, it will be more clear for a person who is receiving the message. Then by training also we can, everything is possible with the training and giving some awareness about the thing what we are going to deliver. And another thing is nothing but the we have efficiency in the organizations. So these are all ultimately it leads to the organization effectiveness. So when we have a proper communication, when we it went on right way, it has received in a proper manner, so definitely the effectiveness is a possible. So these are the terms which we generally use in the organization, and in the organization behavior, perception is one of the important factor. By this I conclude. Thank you.